The Salton Sea, once a thriving lake, is now facing serious challenges as it continues to dry up, exposing vast areas of its lakebed. This creates a public health hazard as winds pick up dust and send it into surrounding communities. The state of California's Salton Sea Management Program is implementing innovative vegetation enhancement projects to address this issue. These efforts aim to reduce dust emissions and improve air quality across nearly 1,700 acres. One key method involves strategically placing grass bales in a staggered pattern across the exposed lakebed. These bales disrupt the wind, slowing it down and reducing the dust lifted into the air. In addition to the bales, native plants are introduced to stabilize the soil further. Over time, these plants will help secure the lakebed, creating a natural barrier against dust storms. This project is more than just dust control protecting public health and restoring the environment for future generations. We can help safeguard our communities and breathe cleaner air with continued efforts. Learn more about these vital efforts at SaltonSea.gov.